Here at EmeraMaine.com, we're rolling out a new live outage and restoration map. The new map is easier to navigate on your computer or mobile phone and allows you to customize your experience. When you go to outages.emeramaine.com, you'll see a map with Emera Maine's service territory outlined in purple. Outages are represented by various colored circles. You can get more information about what these circles represent at the top of your screen in the desktop application or by pressing the I button on your mobile phone screen. To learn more about an outage, click on the circle. A menu will pop up to offer more choices, including the option to zoom in and get a closer look at areas where service interruptions have been reported. You can also report an outage, view a list of planned maintenance events, or read more about Emera Maine's outage restoration approach here. Anytime you want to revert to the default view, just press the X button. You can get general information about all reported outages in Emera Maine's service territory by clicking on the menu button in the upper left corner of your screen. Here you have a number of new options, including the ability to view outages on the map by county or town, or go to a summary list of affected communities. You can sort for any field by clicking on the title. You can also return to the map by clicking on the yellow button at the top. If you want to see what's happening with the weather, you can add radar to the map, adjusting the visibility with the opacity option. By clicking Loop, you can also see where things may be headed. If you want to check on a specific address, just type it in the search field at the top. You can also set up bookmarks for different locations by pressing the arrow key. If you are experiencing an outage and you don't see it on the map, please click the Report Outage button and provide as much information as you can. You can also call us anytime at 1-855-EMERA-11. Remember, if you see anything unsafe, such as a downed wire, please call us and then press 1-2 after you hear the main menu. We know you depend on us to provide safe, reliable service, and an outage can disrupt your day. Here at Emera Maine, we're always working to safely restore your service as quickly as possible, and we're also working to offer our customers better information once an outage has been reported. Thanks for letting us safely deliver power to the people of Maine.